Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 4. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. First of all, I will teach you a phonics session. In this phonics session, shall we recap the beginning, middle and end sounds. Now listen to the board, my dear children. See this, my dear children. This is a three-letter word, right? What is the beginning sound of this word? Wa. Wa. Middle sound? E. Then end sound? In. In. Right. Shall we read this word? Win. Win. Now I will give you 1 minute time. How you have to read this word to use your left hands. How you have to use? First of all, you will open the left hand, point to the shoulder, beginning sound, then middle sound, wrist, then forearm, end sound. Right? So now you will use your left hand to read this word. Shall we start? Yes, touch your shoulder. Wa. Wa. Middle sound in. Touch your wrist. Next in. Touch your forearm. Right? So shall we read this? Win. 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 Again, I will show you one more example. Listen to the board, my dear children. So, first of all, what is the beginning sound? R. R. Middle sound? E. End sound? P. P. So, now you will use your left hand to read this word. R. R. Shall we read this? Yeah. Rib. 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 So, win. Rib. So, are you clear, my dear children? Yeah, great. Now, you will open your SR book, SR 8, page number 5151. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. See this, my dear children. Word families. If word family. If word family. Shall we read this? Hip. Hip. This and all you have to use your left hand to read this word in your home, my dear children. Hip, hip, lip, lip, tip, tip, zip, zip. Some more examples here. Nip, nip. Touch your finger, my dear children. Rib, rib, zip, zip. Shall we read the sentences? Here also having CVC words, right? Close your zip. When you have to read this word family words, CVC words, just you have to use your left hand to read this word. Okay, my dear children? Yes, now I will read this. You listen carefully. After that, in your home, you will practice this. Okay? Close your zip. Move your hip. H-I-P, hip. Right? She puts the glass to her lip. L-E-P, lip. Next, she had a sip. S-E-P, zip. Her jacket had a rib. R-E-P, rib. So this like you have to practice this. Now, once again I will read this. If word family. Hip, lip, tip, zip, nip, rib, sip. Are you clear? Now you will take the next page. Next, shall we read the in word family? How we have to use this left hand to read this word? Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. Use our left hands, right? B, E in bin, bin, right? Next, F, E in fin, fin. You also read along with me, my dear children. Fin, fin. Next, T, E in tin, tin. Next, P, E in bin, pin. One more examples. Sin, sin. Win, win. Kin, kin. Next, shall we read the sentence? How you have to read the CVC words? Yeah, use your left hand to read this word, right? She has a pin. P-E in pin. She has a pin. He has a pin to din. She has a pin in din. Throw the tin in a pin. Throw the tin in a bin. The fish has a fin. Let us all win. Once again, I will read this in word family. You also read along with me, my dear children. Bin, fin, tin, pin, sin, win, kin. From the sentence, you will practice in your home. Are you clear from this session, my dear children? Yeah, great. Now, I will teach you a whole word session. Now, you will open your SR 19, page number 62. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your SR book. From this whole word section, shall we recap some whole words? From last 3 classes, we learned some whole words, right? Shall we recap that? Yeah, very good. Yeah, this is the previous level's whole words. Shall we recap this first, okay? Wants, wants. You also read along with me, keep your fingers. Goes, goes, goes. To, if, next, could. Yeah, great, my dear children. Do you remember this whole words? Yes. Now I will show you the CRL from this whole word session. You will keep your fingers when I show you a whole words, this one, okay? Now I will show that. Wants, wants, wants. You keep your finger from that SR book, my dear children. You also read along with me. Wants, wants. Goes, goes, goes. To. Keep your fingers from your SR book. If, could. Yeah, great, my dear children. Shall we do one worksheet from this related whole words? Very good. Now you will open your workbook, worksheet number 5, question number 2, page number 56. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 5, question number 2. There are some sentences written here, right? Above the sentences are boxes with the words written in them, right? Look at the words written in the boxes above. Find them in the sentences and circulate, right? First we have to read this box. look, also, same, have, some, teeth. First I will read the word. Let us go and look at the horse. Right? Which word from the boxes can you see the sentences, my dear children? Which word? Yes, great. Look. So what you have to do? Circle. Take your rule pencil and then circle this. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now shall we do this worksheet? Are you ready? Yeah, we have many animals on the farm. We have many animals on the farm. So which whole word is here, my dear children? Have. So you have to circle this word. Next, my sister and I like to play the same game. Right? Which whole word is here? Can you find and say, my dear children? Great, my dear children. Same. So you have to circle this word. Shall we go to the next one? Yes. I also want to go for the movie. Can you guess the answer? Which one? Also. Which word is here? Also. So you have to circle this word. Next, your teeth are so dirty. Go clean them. Did you read the sentence? Which whole word is here? Yes, teeth. You have to circle this. Next, some children like hot milk. Right? Can you find out the whole word? Great, my dear children. Some. So you have to circle this. See this, my dear children. So this worksheet you have to complete in your home. You have a doubt means what you have to do? Just you will pause this video and then do this worksheet. Great, my dear children. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension. In this session, I will introduce the events. Now, I will read the story. You listen carefully. It was a nice day. It was a nice warm evening. I went for a walk yesterday to enjoy the air. Once again, I went for a walk yesterday to enjoy the air. While walking, I heard someone crying. While walking, I heard someone crying. I turned to the right and saw a beggar. I turned to the right and saw a beggar. She was in pain. She was in pain. I asked her what happened. I asked her what happened. She said she fell down and had hurt her leg. She said she fell down and had hurt her leg. I quickly went to my home and brought some bandages and snacks. I quickly went to my home and brought some bandages and snacks. I covered her wound with the bandage and she ate the snacks. I covered her wound with the bandage and she ate the snacks. She felt better and I felt happy. She felt better and I felt happy that was able to help someone. I walked a little more and enjoyed the rest of the evening. I walked a little more and enjoyed the rest of the evening. Did you listen that, my dear children? Yes. In this story, I am the character and there was things that are happening around me. அதாவது நான் போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது what happened at that time, just I told you, right? So important things which happen around the characters in a story are called events. In a story, there are many events, right? I told no, that has a many events. For the example, the events in my stories are going for a walk, hearing someone crying, a beggar was in a pain, brought bandages and snacks, put the bandage on the wound, beggar ate snacks, enjoyed the evening. These are the events in my story. என்னென்ன நடந்துச்சு அப்படிங்கிறது, that is called events, right? Are you clear, my dear children? Now you will open your SR book, SR4. We are all animals story. So from this page, just you have to identify that what is happening in this page. Let us see, right? Yeah. Boys and animals from this page number 1 and 2. From this page, what you have to see? What are the events here? Yes, from this 3 and 4, you will see the boy and animals, right? Then 5 and 6. What are that? Boy and animals here. What are that? Here. Boy and animals here. Shall we move to the next page? 7 and 8. What are they doing? What are the events here? Yeah, great. Boy and animals breathe. Swasikranga illaya from this. Next, 9 and 10. What they do? Boy and animals eat. Right? See this. So, page number 3 and 4, boy and animals see. 5 and 6, boy and animals hear. 7 and 8, breathe. 9 and 10, eat. Right? Just you have to listen this. This is the sequencing events. Enna events nadanduchu from this story. Sequencing means put the order to the things, right? Sequencing events. Yeah, are you clear, my dear children? Now you will open your worksheet number 2, question number 2, page number 53. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this, my dear children. This is the write the events in the space below the number them. Right? See this. So see this, my dear children. We can see that the first event is that the boy and animals see. Then they hear. And then they breathe, and then at last they eat, right? So we have done here is put the events in the same order in which they are appearing in the story. This is called sequencing the events. First avanga enna pannanga, next enna pannanga, last enna pannanga. That is called sequencing events. So are you clear? Enna pannanga, boy and animals we have to see, right? After that enna pannanga, hear pannanga. Next enna pannanga, breathe pannanga. Last enna pannanga, eat pannanga, right? So we have to put the numbers sequencing order, okay? So from this, what is that first? I have eyes. They help me see, right? Next, I have ears, they help me hear. Next, I have a nose, it help me breathe. Next, I have a teeth, they help me eat, right? So here we have to put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what are the theme of the story? We are all animals, right? So this one you have to complete in your home. Now I will show you your answer. So do you understand from this sequencing events என்னென்ன நடந்தது அப்படிங்கறத ஆர்டர் வைஸா நம்ம சொல்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் sequencing event. That is called sequencing events. Okay? Yes. See this, my dear children. So this is the I have eyes, they help me see. I have ears, they help me hear. I have a nose, it help me breathe. I have a teeth, they help me eat. So this slide you have to complete this worksheet, my dear children. You want to see means what you have to do? You will pause this video and complete the worksheet. Write it, okay? Are you clear? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. So do you understand from this reading and listening comprehension? Yes. Now I will show you teach you a grammar session. Right? Yes. List different action words from their life. Action words, we have to do that. Shall we do the activity? And now I will show you a CRL. Listen carefully. See this, my dear children. Write the action words you see in the pictures. Now I will show you your first slide. You listen carefully. After that you will write your notebook. What you have to see in the picture. See this, my dear children. See the first picture. What they are doing. Just you have to note the action words. Action words means what? Enna pannittirukanga, that is the action word, right? Run, write, walk, read, that and all the action words, right? See. So are you clear? Yeah, what they are doing? See, sleep here, then this grandma is walk. These are the action words, right? I am walking, etc. I am walking, right? This is the action word from this. So what we have to do this? See, sleep, walk. So you will write your notebook this action words. Now I will show you your next slide. See this. See the picture. Listen carefully. What are the action words here, my dear children? Yeah, eat, talk, this girl throw, wash, eat, ride, run, throw, talk. These are the action words from this picture. So are you clear from this action words? என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது தான் action word, right? Throw, eat, wash, walk, play, talk, right? Yes. So do you understand, my dear children, action words? So from your home you have to practice this. If you are eating means what is that action word? Eat. If you are playing with your friends or mom dad means what is that action word? Play. You are writing, you are doing your homework. Your write means write is the action word. Then you are crying. What is the action word? Cry. Right? You are talk with your friend. What is the action word? Talk. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்ங்கற செயலை குறிக்கிறது தான் action words. So are you clear, my dear children, from this? Yes. So you have to practice this, like action words என்னென்னவா இருக்கும் நீங்க பேசுறதுல எழுதுறதுல நீங்க என்னென்ன பண்றீங்க அப்படிங்கறதுல just you have to identify the action words. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next I will teach you a writing and speaking expression session. Okay, from that session did you complete your exercise worksheet? Yes, we have completed our drawings and we have completed the labeling. Today we will write sentences. Okay, good writers write in full sentence. Now I will write on the board. You listen to the board carefully. Did you draw that right? You will take that drawing. Okay? Yes. See this? This is my drawing. Now I will talk about my drawing. Now you will take about your drawings. Okay? See the first one. I will talk about my drawing. This is a boy. This is a boy. Boy eats. Boy eats. Next one. This is an animal. Animal eats. Once again. First one. This is a boy. Second one. Boy eats. Third one. This is an animal. Fourth one. Animal eats. See that? This is a boy. Second one. Boy eats. Third one. This is an animal. Animal eats. Right? So this slide you have to write about your drawings. What you have to done. Girl போட்டுக்கலாம் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்க அப்படிங்க just you completed your drawings, right? So this slide you have to write your notebook about your drawings. Once again I will talk about my drawing. This is a boy. Boy eats. This is an animal. Animal eats. So this is about my drawing. So you will write that in your notebook from that sentences. Okay? I will show you once again. You will see that this is a boy. Boy eats. This is an animal. Animal eats. This slide you have to write your notebook, my dear children. See this, my dear children. Now you will take your notebook. This is the uppercase letter G, H and I. For each letter you will write one line. Then lowercase letters G, H and I. This letter also you will write one line. This is your homework. Yeah, great, my dear children. Shall we revise what we learned it from today's class? In and it word family we read our SR book. So in your home you will read that. Okay. Next, whole words. We recap some whole words and also we did one worksheet. Then reading and listening comprehension. We learned about the sequencing events. Then we have to complete the worksheet. If you want to see means you will pause that video and then complete the worksheet, my dear children. Next, grammar part. We learnt about the action words. What you have to do in your home? Just you have to identify the action words. Okay. For the examples, if you are eating means eat is the action words. If you are play means play is the action word. This slide you have to identify the action words. Next, writing and speaking expression. We discussed about our drawing. In your notebook, you will write some sentences about your drawings. And also, you will write the uppercase letter G, H and I. Then lowercase letter G, H and I. Each letters one line in your notebook. This is your homework, my dear children. Okay, bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe, my dear children.